Hello YouTubers, my name is Dave and today we're gonna learn how to make a spinning kite. There are some basic tools which we need in order to build one. So these are the tools we're gonna need throughout our project. We need a regular pencil, a scale and the hobby knife. You can make this kite with a foam board or with a regular cardboard. So the design goes like this. We need to have one circle. The diameter will be 20 centimeter. Then this kind of a shape where the total length will be 30 centimeter. The width will be 10 centimeter. And this triangular sides will be of 5 centimeters. In the center of the circle, we will cut out the area of 10 centimeters, and this will be of a thickness of our foam board, which is around 3 or 5 mm. I'm not exactly sure about it. So let's build our spinning kite. Here I have two shapes already cut out, and the assembly goes like this. Remember, the circle part should be in the center of this shape. If you feel it is a bit loose, then you can apply a little bit of glue on the both sides, so it will stay like this. Now, in order to make this kite fly, we need to attach the control horns on the both sides, which pretty much you can use any kind of material, a lightweight. The best suggestion I can give you is you can use the earbuds, which are pretty much easy to find in any household. The design of this is really simple. You cut out this cotton part from the both sides. Like this. And then we got to make something like this. Okay, you can leave it like this. Once you think it is cold, you can just pluck it off like this. And these are our control horns. So these control horns will go like this between the two sheets of the paper inside the foam. You can just literally push it in. Like this, and you can apply a little bit of glue. Okay, so that's our kite ready to fly. There is one more thing we need to attach on this side apart from the string, which I'll show you in a bit. Okay, so here is my previously built spinning kite. It has already control horn glued inside, just between two foam seats. Now, the important part is how to attach the string on the both side. So for this, I came up with one clever idea. You can find such kind of plastic pretty much anywhere. You can use, say, pastry case or old x-ray film, or just any pretty much this kind of a plastic, and you can cut into, say, 2 to 3 centimeter long, a centimeter wide. I already made 2 holes on both, where you can see the string is tied on the closed hole, but the other hole is kind of open like this. So what you need to do is you just got to stretch something like this, and then you can put around the control horn on the both side. That's it. And then string, you got to tie one knot somewhere around, say, 8 to 10 centimeter away from the actual outer circle, and your spinning kite is almost ready to fly. The only thing you need now is a long string and little bit of wind. So what do you think? Will it fly? We will check out shortly. Thank you very much.